Well, you know that Euro Yen and GBP JPY is the main currency pair I'm looking for is selling opportunity apart from dollar yen because there's just too much volatility and too much news that's going to affect dollar yen. But that said, dollar yen, if it gives me the opportunity, why not, right? So it'll be a fast in, fast out for dollar yen, I believe, based on my experience, 21 years of experience staring at that currency pair, right? So euro yen over here, you can see overall is a bullish trend on both weekly and daily chart, which I've mentioned. However, the 4-hour chart is a bearish trend. So as you can see, I am planning for a very, very aggressive selling opportunity. However, I have not engaged it yet because the rules are not fulfilled. Look at my RSI, the first high, it have not went to overbought extreme. So I'm not interested, although it gives me a slight RSI divergence, but without overbought, then that is not what I'm looking for. If you drop one time frame, you will have seen this bearish flag pattern. I'm looking for an aggressive selling opportunity, which I've not engaged the trade because there isn't that move that I'm looking for. Right, as you can see, true enough, the market just came down and rebound back. Right, 42 pips. You might think that is a good deal. It's not, because this move should have just tank, should have just jumped all the way down, right? Like your bungee jumping and giving me a 200 pips potential. I've been looking at the chart. I'm not missing any trade on this, but I have not engaged it. Looking at bounce here and there, and this is one thing that I've seen. Right now, it became a rectangle formation, which means over here moving up, sideways, then it is going to, I'm looking for a retest at 184.24, and of course if I'm aggressive, 184.08, and if I drop one time frame lower, you will have understand and able to see this, right? Retest of previous support turns key resistance 184 flat, which is a nice price action level. Only when I see my magic candle confirmation, I'm going to give this an aggressive shot. So this is how and why we analyze the chart the way it is. It doesn't give us the first move, then end of the day, it will be a waste of time because you won't know when it's going to reverse. Of course, when the first price happen, you might just, if you manage to do a very aggressive selling opportunity over here, you would have exited from here after you see a similar wick. If you are very good in pattern recognizing, you have caught 24 pips for all this trouble, right? So you want to learn this right, want to earn energy income with just 15 minutes a day, drop me a DM.